Hello, also today I'll be discussing about few mutual fund mistakes which one tend to do. So first and foremost is choosing a mutual fund without having a clear investment goal in your mind. So as we all know, one does an investment in mutual fund for a specific goal like education of your child or buying a new home or early retirement, comfortable retirement for yourself. Similarly, each and every mutual fund has its own risk and return attached to it. For example, a small cap mutual fund has higher risk. Similarly, it gives a higher return also, whereas a large cap fund has lower risk but it gives a lower return. Next point, judging a mutual fund solely on the basis of how it has been performing in the past. So this gives a fair amount of idea of how the mutual fund has been performing or it will perform in future, but other factors like the current market condition or market cycles or the how the sector in which the company has mutual fund has invested is performing should also be considered. Next point, stopping your SIP or redeeming your mutual fund when the market is not performing well. So this is the time when actual cost of averaging or you will get your mutual fund units at a lower price. So for example, situations like COVID, war or economic recession are the perfect time when you can actually get your mutual fund units at lower price, and when the market is out of this situation you will get good returns. Next point, comparing two different mutual funds of different categories. For example, comparing a small cap mutual fund with a blue chip mutual fund, both of them has a different risk and return attached to it. Last point, investing in too many mutual funds leading to overlap investment of in mutual funds of same stocks. So bye for now, hope it helps you.